Hi, good morning. In this PPT, we are going to see about biodiesel, how it is extracted. What is biodiesel? It is a renewable and natural domestic fuel extracted from the animal fat or vegetable oils, mostly from soybean, rapeseed, jatropha, palm oil. Biodiesel is a general name given for a methyl esters obtained from the organic feedstock. Next, you will see the environmental, social, economic benefits of biodiesel. It is biodegradable, renewable, and non-toxic in nature. Extremely lower emission of greenhouse gases as compared to the fossil fuels. Increasing trade balance due to lesser dependence on foreign resources. Promoting environmental protection and energy security in country. Meeting climate change and commitments. Growing variety of crops, increasing biodiversity, promoting renewable energy sources, generating rural employment opportunities. Next, we'll say biodiesel production process. Biodiesel is produced from the vegetable oils or animal fats and an alcohol through a trans-esterification reaction. Stages of trans-esterification process involves treatment of raw material, alcohol catalyst mixing, chemical reaction, separation of reaction products, next to purification of the reaction products. Next you will see the trans-esterification process. Trans-esterification is a chemical reaction where the triglycerin is reacted with alcohol in presence of catalyst to produce alkyl esters. This is the schematic representation of the esterification process, in which first the oil is mixed with the catalyst. Then it was chemical reaction was formed, which was converted into the ester and glycerin. Finally the glycerin is separated with the help of water. Finally, the filtration was performed. This is the schematic representation of the biodiesel process. The first, the oil was reacted with the catalyst of methanol, and then it was converted into the fatty acid methyl ester, which is a biodiesel, plus glycerol is produced. The most widely used raw material for biodiesel is jatropha. The plants are able to produce seeds between 1 and 5 years, depending on soil fertility and rainfall, and continue to produce seeds for more than 20 years. Seed yield under cultivation can range from 1500 to 2000 kg per hectare. The seeds contain average 34.4 percentage oil by weight and can proceed to produce a high quality of biodiesel fuel. The yield of biodiesel per hectare for jatropha is more than 4 times as much fuel per hectare as soybean and up to 10 times to that of corn. The next you will see the blending of the biodiesel. Blending is a process of the mixture of biodiesel fuel with the petroleum-based diesel fuel designated BXS, where XS is a volume percentage of biodiesel. Conventional use, biodiesel can use as a pure form B100 or mixed with diesel in all new diesel engines. For older engines produced before 1993, some modifications required as Rubbermaid valves, caps, and pipes dissolved in biodiesel. Unconventional use, hydrogen fuel cell microreactor to produce hydrogen stream for HFC, cleaning up oil spills, cytosol used to clean and dissolve crude oil spills, generating electricity, breakup generated using B100, home heating, B20 reduce emission of SOx emission from boilers used to heat home. This is the biodiesel cycle. The CO2 emitted from the automobile was again absorbed by the oil corps. Oil corps is again converted into the biodiesel and was used again by the automobiles. The next you will see the disadvantage of the biodiesel, slightly higher fuel consumption due to the lower calorific value of biodiesel, slightly higher nitrogen oxide emissions than diesel fuel, higher freezing point than diesel fuel. This may be inconvenient in cold climates. It is less stable than diesel fuel, and therefore long-term storage of biodiesel is not recommended. Constraints to the biodiesel development, environmental constraints. A considerable debate exists over the magnitude of direct and indirect G, GHG emission from biodiesels. The intensive cultivation of energy crops is expected to produce adverse environmental effects. Trade concerns, first generation biodiesel are rarely economical compared to petrol fuels. Rising demand for vegetable oil under pressure from the biofuel mandate has resulted in the rapid decrease in vegetable oil prices, which negative impact on the biofuel cost and food prices. Food security concerns, biofuels which stop producing compete with food, fiber, and timber for land and waste and fertilizers. This competition could affect the food security. Demand for the feedstock crops such as maize and sugarcane gas contributed significantly to global food price volatility, especially in grain markets. Conclusion: as there appears to be general agreement that the era of cheap oil has ended, it is essential for India to look for alternative options such as biodiesel to provide energy security and environmental protection. Thank you.